Just decided to go with a read. Okay, no, not a read. I've decided to talk about something because it's very important. I think it's very important. I would not do it otherwise, but I think it is pretty crucial, and so I'm going to talk about it. Okay, this is yesterday is the last thing that I have actually seen. Who's going to be your future spouse? Prior to who's going to be your future spouse, these are all the videos that I had seen. This is all the history. This is all the history. As you can see, there are quite a few Rahul Gandhi videos and this little baby who I really love. Okay, so this is enough for you to understand what my previous history of whatever it is that I was watching on YouTube, what it comprised of. There's a reason why I'm telling you this. Okay? The last Rahul Gandhi video was this. Okay, now when I went for this reading, who will be your future spouse, I was not doing the reading for anybody else. I was doing the reading for myself, to tell you very frankly. Okay, we'll go back because I actually was going to do this on my own without taking out a video recording. So we'll take it to the very beginning. Now you can see how this is. When I generally close my eyes and it's like a small little meditation, and I connect with whatever. I always try and connect with Shirdi Sai Baba to ask him the question instead, and then I take wherever my eyes fall, when my eyes open, I take that as my reading. If I see my own face, there are many times I see my sister's face instead. If I see my sister's face, then I take it as her reading. If I see somebody else's face, I take it as their reading. Before, I used to fight a lot, and I used to try to thrash other people's readings and only take my reading. But the truth of the matter is, I came to a conclusion that no, if there is, like, for whatever reason, somebody's face flashes in front of me, then I should not discard the reading. I should actually go ahead with the reading and not discard it, because I have noticed that Shirdi Sai Baba gives messages to other people and about their situation when I do the Sai Prashnavali. And he's talking lots of things even in general when it comes to, like, just say general good or general bad. Basically the general movement forward. Alright, so what happened with this read is, when I closed my eyes, and what flashed in front of me was Rahul Gandhi's face. So instead of thrashing it the way I would have done it, say 2 years ago, I said, okay, no problem, fine. If that's the face that has flashed, we take this as that man's reading. Now let's try again for our own reading. When we took it as his reading, what we got is this card for him. Seeing his face after seeing those videos and the history, where you will appreciate that he is there in some videos that I had looked at. So for him, we got this reading. Then we closed our eyes yet once again. I don't appreciate when I'm doing this with my hands to play sounds from my hands. It's not okay. I'll tell you also why later on. Okay? My hands are not for you to fuck around with, nor were my legs. You have fitted something into my brains along with my ears, along with my hands. Keep it to the side. I'll let you know afterwards who you are. So this is Rahul Gandhi's reading, Raga's reading. This one. Again I closed my eyes, and when I've closed my eyes, what I got was my own face, my baby face. And I'm a brown child actually, not a fair child. I became a brown and hairy child because of some dysentery problem when I was very small. I went to the doctor, went to the pediatrician, he gave me some dosage, and in that it says I became brown and hairy. It was a hormonal problem. Okay? Anyway, when I opened my eyes, so I knew the reading was for me. When I opened my eyes, unfortunately, what happened is it fell somewhere over here in this white place. So I had to drag my eyes from here to this card. I said, well, that's Raga's reading. So let's see the other reading. But I know as a matter of fact that when my eyes fall out of the table, generally it falls out of the table or then somewhere over there, it means the reading only is not for me. In this case, it fell over here and I wasn't sure, so I just dragged it to here. Okay, knowing that this is not my reading. Now let's fast forward to this being Raga's reading for sure, because for Raga's reading, it fell bang in the middle of this card. So there was no dragging eyes from there to this and this to this and this to this. Nothing. It was direct over there. Okay. So we go directly to Raga's reading to find out what it is. This is very important. I don't subscribe to all that rubbish. I don't have time for that nonsense. Okay? So don't put rubbish on me. Here also I am showing you how she has done the throw. Okay, maybe we need to go a little further. So you can see she's got the bag in her hand. She's not really looking into the bag while picking up stuff. Generally, she's picking up things. I'll zoom in on it later on, because actually these Scrabble pieces are the most important. That's what I have come here to show you. No, it's very important because whatever's happened in my life, it looks like it is this kind of influence that has been fucking around. And I'd like India to answer, and I'd like the politicians to answer if that's what you want for this country. I don't want it. If that's how you are making this country move, I don't want to be part of this country. That's about it. And I don't play games. I think I'm pretty straightforward. You spreading this nonsense all over is what I understand. All the countries mentioned in this throw. Okay, so this is how she has taken out the pieces. Now what I'm going to do this reading, if you can see what the words are. This is the most important. These words, these letters. Okay, these alphabets are the most important. What I see over here is the name. Now just to give you an idea, this is who will you marry? Your future spouse. Okay, we've reached this part of the reading. This is very, very, very important. Extremely important. This talks about his energy or talks about something connected with him. First word we get is Om or AUM also. The countries we get is USA, UAE, EU, AU. Okay, now the more important thing, we get the word mad over here, MAD. People have been calling me mad, madder. I say no, I am not mad, I am not madder. My name is just Jaya Kanyalal Hukumat Advani. I am the original Jaya who was born at Fort Jassville, brought up at Fort Jassville. The only common thing in my name irrespective of which degree or which education I get, is the name Advani. It can be JK Advani, it can be anything. But Advani name cannot change. But you have tried changing and taking that away from me. And that's not okay. Right? So I'm not mad. But your Mad's name is there. Madden is also there. Maden. Maiden also is there. Maid. This is a D. Next to the L is a D. This is a D and that's an O. So if I just read out the letters first, OAMUSXCNEDLI. Okay? So we've got the word maiden, MAIDEN, which is a young girl, young maiden. We have the word maid also, MAID, maid, that also. Then maid, to have it made, MADE. Then unisex, UNISEX. Does it mean that this person shapeshifts both as a girl and a boy? And shapeshifts for both NDM and Raga. Because we got NDM, the question was about Raga. It's Raga's face that flashed. And it is his face against which we got this reading. We have the word moust, MAOIST. There's no T, but mouse. What about Naxel? NAXEL. I don't know if she took out any more letters. Let's just see. Yes, she was late. So, not sure whether she took out more letters. This is very problematic, I am telling you. It's not a joke. Very, very problematic. Okay, so she doesn't take out more letters. Instead, she takes out something else. Maybe get her hand out of the way so it's not a distraction, hopefully. Okay, so we have not moused, we have mouse. MAOIS is what it is. But Naxel for sure is there. I don't know how Naxel is spelled. NAXEL. Clone, CLONE. Cloning is a very real problem, and that's what has been the weapon for the last 30 years. Our intelligence has not been able to do anything, and lots of money has been stolen. My own house, I believe, has been infiltrated by the clones. And this is what Sarah, my dearest cousin brother's wife, through a reading had conveyed to me, and then later on through a dream, that she herself has been removed. Her father was a diplomat to Japan. She's Sarah Kaur, a very decent girl from a very Khandani family. But she's been replicated by two girls, one from Andhra Pradesh is what I was told, and the other one from Tamil Nadu. And both of them are maids. MAIDS. But that's a separate topic because, frankly, the reading is not about her. The reading was about Raga. All the faces that are there in the history prior to doing this reading. If you notice, NDM's name is here too. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. 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 Namo, Namo. They are criminals of the highest order, connected with Maoists and Naxals. If you want India to end up that way, so be it, but that's not my choice. How you have behaved and what you have fitted in my body is connected with this shit only. It is Rahul Gandhi's horoscope that has his Mercury in the 8th house, in the sign of Taurus, which talks about hidden communication. You can't be that polis not to be able to speak, but to hide and put things into my body, connected with Elon Musk. Except that Elon Musk, the real son of Errol Musk and May Musk, would have been murdered ages ago. Because if this is connected with Mao and Naxal activity, then Elon's father brought Elon up as a white man in Africa. There is no chance that the real Musk would be left alive. Elon, can you see his name? ELON MUSC. Whenever we don't get the name properly, it basically means that there is a problem. It is possible that the name OM is a boy's name, because there are many boys whose names are Om. Umesh and not Umesh. I'll be very sad. My cousin is called Umesh. He could have been let off ages ago. He is my aunt Kailash Shingorani, Mrs. Kailash Shingorani's son. And his mother married Mr. Vithal Malia the second time over and became Mrs. Ritu Malia. So ideally Umesh Shingorani should be spelt as Umesh, but he's spelt as UMES, which means the original is let off ages ago. Just like Elon Musk, the original Elon Musk. So Umesh is a real problem. They're connected with Naxal and Maoist behavior, which is not okay. It's very dangerous for the country, but if that's what you want, okay. Okay, so it says clone line. CLONE and LI. No, clone lin, not line. We have SOM, SOAM, or Somia, SOMIA. SOMIA. You are the people cutting into my calls all the time. You have been infiltrating my phone calls and downloading software in my phone for the longest time. SL. Your name is here, not SRL. SRL is a VIP. You would have hated SRL because he was known to be very choosy about the kind of people he keeps in touch with. He was also running his cotton world, which means they were hiring staff, retail shop staff. SL could very well have worked for him, worked at Bombay, worked anywhere, and then decided to be an EA for him, E and A. Then greed takes over, as it usually does. It is all the EAs connected with Naxal movement and Maoist movement who come into homes as the clones and say all this is ours. No real son, daughter of their own parents ever do that. And no parent ever creates problems for their children. It's only the duplicates who do that. And they have very clever ways of getting rid of their children. Or rather, they have very clever ways of getting rid of the original children. Samlu, your name is here. SAMLU. That is Kabir's wife. Except that Kabir's wife's name is called Shamlu. And she's a very nice girl, just like Sarah. You have entered families, you have stolen, you have murdered, taken identity, shape-shifted, and you think you are it. It is you who has fitted the shit on my door. It is you who has fitted the crap in my body. And you think you are going to get away because of Raga and NDM and Modi and Namo? दिमाग ठीक है? Soumya, didn't we call you out today only for the South Indian talk you did on Airtel today? You were bursting crackers downstairs like street dogs 10 minutes away. लेकिन वो बदबू मेरे घर में आ रहा था. I am going to have an SIT on you. That's about it. The word Samuel is over here. S-A-M-E-U-L. Samuel. Or Sam. These are the miscreants connected also, I believe, because they have killed lots of people in the Advani family and the Malia family. And in doing that, while they have done such things, they are the ones who have stolen the wealth, murdered. Come on WhatsApp chats and then messed up all communication, stolen identity. You have made Jaya, which, who else have you given Jaya Advani's identity? Fucking around with my identity. You have used artificial intelligence when you've done that. You have used telephony when you've done that. You are outside crafters. You bloody cabbage. Malu is SRL's, Malvika was SRL's real cousin. Except that Malvika Lekhraj had a big tumor in her head and she was not going to make it. Because of Radha Swami, miraculously she came back. But I thought she was actually a little too friendly with SL. In a way that is not okay for cousins to be. So Malu, when you've come back, either they chipped you or you are a plain clone. The fact that you had a brain tumor and you nearly died is something that SRL or SL brought to my notice during our honeymoon. Prior to that, I had no clue. But one interaction, don't talk from under my hands. You speak to me face to face. I believe Simal Lekhraj any which ways, S-I-M-A-L, Simal. Simal Lekhraj any which ways took Sanjeev Lekhraj to court or asked the police on Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj because he was siphoning money from your books of accounts at Cotton World. This is what Shalina has told me. So you people basically do heist the minute you enter homes that are not yours. Is your brother's name over here who actually started the company? Laveen? Or Shalu? No, right? Leena? Leena, you're supposed to settle in America. Your cousin SRL may have been pulled off the grid when Varsha was working at Cotton World as Simal's friend. And she has met Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj at that time. If something happened to the boy at that time, I don't know. Or Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj works for as an actor in the cine, C-I-N-E, cinema. All these shapeshifters work in the cinema and wherever else they get a fucking chance to work at. Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj, the son of Rajan Lekhraj, is a VIP, but SL is not a VIP. He's an EA and he's from very poor bloodline. The way you have created your nexus. Do we have nexus? N-E-X-U-S of clones. The way you have created your nexus. How many people get murdered in your nexus is the big problem. Because your greed never ends. Whether Sanjeev Rajan Lekhraj is alive or not alive, I was told he has passed away. And I'm just thinking of the timeline that maybe when, I don't know, my Varsha, what happened to her? What about, no, I think Varsha is the one on which in this bedroom there is that thing where Akhil has picked up the stone, or he's picked up this big tile on the floor, this size tile on the floor, to throw it on my backside, except that it is not my backside, it is probably Varsha, because when we have seen the ghost on this door and in my temple, it is looking very much like my Varsha. Munish also is Munish, not Munish. Munna? Nikhil also is Nomo, I told you. Nicel, Nikhil. Max, Maxis. Okay, we have Loony, Luni, Loony, or Insane, Insane. We have the CIA. We have Sid, SID. We have Sin. We have Sex. We have Cam. The way you've put me on a cam, you're trying to tell me about my being nude? I can walk the streets nude, there's no problem. और घोरी सोचना और तेरी माँ को याद कर. Your mother, your daughter, your granddaughter, your great grandmother, and your sister and your wife. उनको सोच के आगे निकलो. जब तू पैदा हुआ था ना, she was naked actually when whichever gynac took out a wailing baby from your mother's vagina, and that baby is you. When your wife delivers your baby, it will be the same thing. When your sister delivers your nephew or your niece, it will be the same thing. So don't try to give me the cheap shit you are all about. You are from the Patal Loka, you are from a shit hellhole who doesn't understand the key things. If you spent your whole bloody life that also born from the Patal Loka, then you have to fight for human rights, then you have to fucking fight for social justice because you didn't do your karmic work. And you come from a bloody shithole. तो वो मेरा problem नहीं है, uncle. That's not my problem. Well, Jesus did all the hard work, sweetheart. The Pope enjoys the niceties and the obsequies and the ostentatious living of the Vatican. Shirdi Sai Baba did all the hard work with no money on him. But the government of Maharashtra enjoys the temple proceeds, or the temple enjoys the temple proceeds. So ultimately, let me tell you one thing. Those who do the work and they move out. Same way, if you don't understand these things and you come from a loka where you are proving time and time again with everything you do that you lack the understanding, fear there is 400,000 years going forward because you have messed around with 60% of the world population. 60% of the world population is going to the higher realms. You are not. So you got to pay back to them by your births, which you are going to do through the universal laws in time to come. Why don't you understand? When you come from a low realm, the way you do the cloning, you do the stealing, you do the lies, lies. You do all the rubbish that you have done. And you think you are very smart. But what you don't realize is when you have come from the Narka Loka, or you have come from the Patal Loka, or you have come from the Rasatal Loka, there is no real quick exit. You will do as per your nature the bullshit you are made of. You will make all the bloody excuses. You shout human rights, you shout social justice. Pope shouts, oh, I'm the Pope. This is the Vatican. We are Jesus's people. But Jesus did all the hard work. You are enjoying all the goodness and all the opulence. Same with Shirdi Sai Baba. So we all have our own takes. But the point is, the law of karma is very stringent. Okay, it doesn't allow anyone to get away. So if in this time only you are unhappy, then going forward you must understand that this yuga is not changing. Satya Sai Baba has confirmed it to me during my deep state dream. Or maybe not a deep state dream. Maybe I was half coming out of my sleep. I can't remember. But he very clearly said that, well, the seeds that have been sown are not okay. So how can you expect that the yuga is going to change because some people want it to change to suit them? What are you so scared about? Your own deeds. You can't get away with it. We have the word Cane, C-A-N-E. We have Dawn, D-O-N, Dawn as in the underworld dawn. Is it Dau? D-A-U. Okay, we got Das and Dasi, D-A-S and D-A-S-I. We got the sand dunes, S-A-N-D and D-U-N-E-S. Okay, I don't know if the originals have been killed and these are the clones who were sent in to be them to reconstruct society. We are in a very big mess. You all are not willing to understand it. I want the ATS, I want the ED, I want the CID to sit with me. CID. I don't get your salary. The reason I am saying this is because for those who get their salary, if you don't do your job, or at least try to, you're going to be booked for very bad karma. We're more worried about that. Here we're for a very short time. लेकिन जो आने को है और जो होने को है वो बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. गॉड विलिंग आप लोग जो हैं, आप लोग 70-60% में हैं, तो आप लोग यहाँ पे नहीं अटकेंगे. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू कीप कर्मा रियली स्ट्रेट. You can understand what all. So this is the reason why I have gone out of my way to actually record this. सच बोलूँ तो, because this is a huge giveaway. We have the word COME, C-O-M-E, C-O-M-E. Comcast, C-O-M-C-A-S. Comcast, not Comcast. Clean, C-L-E-A-N. Is that clean? Nile, N-I-L-E is to do with South Africa, S-A. Okay, there is a case over here, C-A-S-E. Case. I don't know if they've left the body in cases in these dunes, because we keep getting sand dunes from 2020 onwards. And to do with the river Niles and caves. Cave is not here, but I have seen the cave and somebody who's a VIP being pulled off the cave, being pulled off her trip and being taken into isolation close to where there is a water body flowing far away. You can hear the sound. There's a drop in the land level and then it's a grassland, and she's told you will have to stay here forever, and she starts weeping, and I wake up weeping. I don't wake up weeping generally. In Sarah's case, who is frankly Akhil's wife, my real cousin's wife, she is a very Khandani girl from a very Khandani family, and I don't think she would ever do anything wrong, to tell you very frankly. It's just that if there's somebody else in her place, yes, she could have been badly done to, and that would be very, very, very sad. The fact that the crow has come in my dream, where I am standing looking out of the same bedroom, which is looking like a timeline before I have taken possession of this house. If I registered this property on the 11th of July 2019, it's not about the property. I don't care. It's about what has happened in the background that needs to be addressed. My property is like pittance compared to how much these guys have stolen. They're stealing every minute from India, and they're doing so in the worstest manner possible. And not just India, they're stealing from the USA, they're siphoning money from the, and it's all going to their account. Remember, communist, COMUNIS, communists. Because they're not actually communists. The truth of the matter is they are basically very greedy. They are people who just steal. They're from very bad lokas, these people, whoever's mentioned over here. They are mostly clones. And whatever she has fitted into my body is overwriting what I'm talking connected with Google. Now, would Google itself do such a thing? I don't think so. What if the king of the UAE, if you look at the word, what if the king of the UAE during 1990s, somebody who was a Maoist Naxalite went over there as a laborer. They got together and regrouped with a whole lot of people in the Middle East, and they were doing cloning. Or initially it was just knocking the king off in one kingdom which was easier to knock off, getting access to money, and then slowly finding their way into, let's say, places where very key discussions were happening about things like medics and cloning and all that. And it's the Naxal groups that got access to this kind of stuff, which I believe it is. And they went to town with it, and they misused it totally at India. So we have over here the CID, we have the CIA, we have SOMA, we have the company X. Yes, the X is, SL is the X, but he's not who I was married to. I was married to SRL, not to SL, not ever to SL. I was married to the boy who was the son of Rajan Lekhraj and who was at Cotton Ball, not as an EA, not as a stand-in, but the actual DNA related son of Huri Lekhraj and Rajan Lekhraj, and the DNA related cousin of the Lekhrajes who have grown up in the same school as me. Simal is one cousin, Malu is one cousin, Leena is one cousin. Yes or no, Leena? You're Sunil's SUNIL. You're Sunil's sister. Malu is your cousin. Malvika Lekhraj. Malvika, you were, the real Malvika was in Fort Convent. Simal, you were Varsha's friend, Simal Lekhraj. Your sister's name is Nisa Lekhraj. You've done away with Nisha because her name is not proper. It's spelled as NISA. She had a short marriage like me. She came away. Prakash uncle has bought her a flat in Dalamal. Got rid of her. NISA, Nisha Lekhraj. Simal's husband, Avi Pahuja, went to the UAE and opened his Tikam Das over there and opened a big shop in Bombay. Enough money to go screwing around with. What about Salina? My sister's name is Shalina, otherwise she is Varsha. Who is the bloody bitch who has come in my sister's place and screwed around on WhatsApp with the Advani family, Undalani family, and the Satrangani family, starting 2006-2007, all the fucking way to 2009. Who's the bitch? You have screwed around with every family is what I understand. And I don't know about your fucking friend network, your bloody kitty group, or then your friend network of school and college. Yes, you are a miscreant and you are not my sister Varsha. You have shapeshifted for her. Your name is Selina. Selina, because you kept saying, oh, everybody calls me Selina, Selina. You were making fun of others mispronouncing your name. Actually, you were telling me that you are not Shalina, you are Selina. The other way Shalina has been called out over here is Salina. No, Selina, not Shalina, right? Salina, Salina, no, Saline. But you said no. People call you Selina, Shalina. Though you actually shapeshifted for Varsha. What happened to Varsha, by the way? My actual sister. How many people did you knock off in Varsha's network? From her kitty group to her friends in school. Fuck you, bitch. You want to fucking talk? You bloody come and talk like how I'm talking. Your raga shit that you are hoping to be a part of. You bloody garbage rubbish. Is a Naxalite. Trash like you. You learn to talk like a fucking proper human being. You are screwed around a lot with technology. And your Raga's horoscope, Rahul Gandhi's horoscope has it कि वो communication ऐसे ही चुतियापन के साथ करता है. Don't play sounds from my body, you bloody fucking cowardly piece of shit. You garbage from the garbage can. Even God spits at you. Okay, I don't know if we have Nusa Dua. Nusadua. Nusa Dua has to do with Bali in some way. Okay? Anyway, I'm stopping this over here simply because, frankly telling you, whatever else, if you're the police, please have a look at this. This is not a joke. I do get these insights sometimes. And I don't know where it comes from. But it gives you great information about what is to come. You just take it and run with it because something is not right. You're going to be in a very big mess. And for us, it's not a big deal. Tomorrow there is whatever we will to leave. I don't think we have done karma or taken responsibilities which, frankly take us to the Patal Loka or the Nark Loka or any Loka which is miscreant behavior Loka. But where you people are concerned, if you don't take action against these people, what's going to happen is, because you didn't discharge your duties properly, your salary taken by you is going to be booked as stealing. We don't have stealing, right? We got seals instead. SEAL. Klein is there. Sun. Dine, Dil. Do we have Kans over here? Cuns, but Kans is not really spelled that way. Canes, Canes or Cainses, however, Canes, to do with the cinema line. Medics. The name Medics and to do with the doctor line is very much over here. Medics. Name, Name, I don't know how it says, or names. I think it is telling us to take cognizance of the names that are in here, because that's a real problem. this is the reason for any kind of stealing that has happened in this country, or any place for that matter. They are basically clones who are part of a huge nexus of duplicates around the world. And frankly, they are not even being called social justice people. SOCIAL, social. They're just basically greedy. They're from a very poor loka. And they're very cheap people. They're not the kind of people who, frankly telling you, are going to end up going to any kind of decent realm. If we talk about today, what was my dream in my sleep, which again was kind of upsetting in a way. I had some experiences while I was sleeping. I don't know if I should put it over here or I should let it go, but it had great relevance to whatever's in this. It was explaining things from the background of what has happened in the Advani family. It happens in my sleep. I get experiences of other people and things that have already happened. And the miscreant is brought into my dream in some way or the other. One thing that I want to say over here is, when it comes to Rahul Gandhi or Aga, Kiran Merchant, and Salman Khan, we have Salman but not Salman. Salman is in a problem. The real one is in a problem. Salmon is what we have, the fish. SALMON. Somebody actually uses a cane on people. By the way, this that you've done on my hands, you think you're caning me? You think you are caning me when you do this kind of shit on my hands? This kind of fucking crap is done by you only. You think you're caning me, you bastard? तू चुतिया है, तुमको पता भी नहीं है क्या क्या है. You're an absolute illiterate asshole. You're the one who Arnab had on the show before I left for New Zealand. He said कोई भी लड़की चलेगी. That's what SL has told me during the marriage. Any girl will do. Arnab is connected with your mouse Naxalite movement is what I understand. He's a great confusion creator with you. SL, you're a student for number 27 who's SRL. His birthday is 27. Akshay Kukreja says he was sent to New Zealand to spoil my reputation over there by number 27 from Bangalore, but that is Ramas, who's a stand-in for Ramesh Chacha. Ramesh Chacha has great Aankh Micholi with the watchman in our building, but Ramesh Advani never ever had that. This shit started only in 2006-07 sometime. That's after crossing paths with Indian Online Broadband, IOL, the worstest of the worstest. IOL and NOC, connected with Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Namo Namo, or what is it you said? Modi Ravalon. Mr. Bindra, Shindra, what's your name? Vijay Bala, along with Vivek. You illiterates, you don't know. When you come into your future births, तो भिखारी भी बन आएगा ना शुअर्स के अंदर. तुमको दो दाना देने लायक कोई नहीं रहेगा. ये you mark my words. You have the curse of people who have worked ancestry for good karma, never to fuck it around the way you've done it. The cheap, sick manner with which you people have functioned. You mark my words. To hell with you. Slums. SLUMS. Slum. And slime. SLIME. That's how you are. Slimy as shit. Yes, you're a scumbag. SCUM. Total scum. You think you're damn smart? Airing my home every time there's a fucking election. Airing it to what? The slums. So you can get a fucking vote. What garbage are you? Fuck you. Fucking you. You be born even as a beggar in the sewers. तुमको $2 कोई नहीं देगा. तुम्हारा कमाई इतना घटिया है जो स्लम में पैदा होके आगे निकला है एसएल कि ये तो गिरा है और भी गिरा है. ये जो युगा है इसको 400,000 साल है निकलने में. नाम है कली युगा. जो लोग 60% है धरती पे, जो स्वर्ग लोका और उससे ऊपर कमाई कर लिया है, वो यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगे मरने के लिए. तुम जैसे पाताल लोक के लोग और आत्मा जो है कोई नहीं रहेगा जो तुमको कुछ दे सकता है. वो तुम्हारा कमाई है कल का. मिस्टर कल्कि, useless shit of the sewers. This reading is very important, so we are putting it out as it is. Because frankly, your tomorrow hinges on it. The police better take cognizance against these people. My reading keeps saying that it requires Murmu's president rule. If you think this country is going to run on the back of useless crap, one guy shape-shifting, he's SL, shape-shifting both, or mad, shape-shifting both for Raga, Rahul Gandhi, as well as for Modi. Modi hands his masks out to just about anybody. And if you think a country is going to be great on the back of really bad karma, then you got another thing coming. I don't know where you are. Namo Namo, your name should be Nomo Nomo. लक्ष्मी ही तुम्हारे साथ रहेगी. लक्ष्मी माता तो छोड़ के जा रही है. तो नो मो 420, नो मो घर में घुस के मारेंगे. लक्ष्मी के साथ तू जो है आगे 400,000 साल निकाल के 40% जो तुम लोग हो, जहाँ तू जाएगा स्लम्स तुमको छोड़ेगा नहीं. और जो पॉवर्टी लेवल्स है वो बस बढ़ता जाएगा. So much so that even the natural resources on earth will deplete. But you will have to be born, some form or the other, to discharge and clean out the garbage karma that you have actually built last 5,000 years. करना ही पड़ेगा. तू इतना बदबूदार कचरा का डब्बा का कचरा है कि तुमको खुद तुम्हारा कचरा बदबूदार आत्मा झेल तो नहीं सकता है. इसलिए तू मेरे घर आके ये भांचोदगिरी करता रहता है. You come putting your bloody garbage stinking garbage in my home because you can't stand the stench of your own garbage, Atma. Whereas I don't have that problem. I don't need to come and dump my garbage on you because I don't have the garbage. That's the difference. Know how to earn your punya, because whatever you've done so far is out and outright. It's called really bad sin. SIN. Okay? When it comes to the three places where we've seen Salman Khan to Katrina's face, where he's holding her mouth like this. I'm going to close this down. He holds her jaw like this. ये सलमान खान करता है. ये हमने किरण मर्चेंट को देखा है करते हुए अन्नू के ऊपर. अनीता my mom. This is Anita Merchant when she was put into Bhatia Hospital in the year 2019. 1 month or within 1 month of registering this property at Shivaji Nagar in my name, Jaya Kanayalal Advani, Miss Jaya Kanayalal Advani, a divorced woman who left the marriage in 5 months, married to Sanjeev Rajan Lekraj, not this dumb fuck called SL, who is the EA, but to the original Sanjeev Rajan Lekraj, came out of that marriage in 5 months in the year 2002 because I said, I cannot understand your energy, I can't connect with it. So I believe there was a shapeshifter who was coming and going in that marriage. The shape-shifting shit business these guys have been doing for quite some time. Anyway, at Bhatia Hospital in 2019, when I have gone to Bombay, because my mother was put in for autoimmune, Tell me this is not your cheap behavior because you want to fuck around with my biometrics. You're not that sick, cheap crowd. You're misusing UIADI also is what I understand. And facial recognition. And you really think you're going to get something, you cheap bloody street shit. You are rubbish class. You just be born in the future, you will come to know what. Screw you. You talk about debt. To janam se aao. You'll come to know what debt is. That debt you will have to pay for the next 400,000 years. It is the curse upon you. By 40% or 60% of those who go to the Swarloka and above. I want you what you get out of it. And it is no joke. It is what you have earned. May you have to finish it. That's about it. There are no two ways about it. And don't send these bees and all this rubbish to my house. That kind of stuff. We know you are very desperate. I know you are very desperate. The second place where I have seen this chin being touched like this is at Bhatia Hospital when it is Mrs. Anita Merchant. Is her name over here ANU? But my mom would never give it this kind of activity. Her husband's name is Kiran Merchant. Okay, the name Sunnu also. Sunny. Suana, no. Okay, anyway, in the hospital, the previous night, what happened is my mother was very unwell. So she cried the entire night because there was no nurse which came to change her and she was not in a good position. She needed to be changed, is what I was told by my sister, Selena. And I also saw the behavior on one day. I think my mother was looking quite dejected and even her husband wasn't really doing much for her. In fact, he was ignoring her. It's the real truth. I'm saying it. But I just said, let's just take it that, well, for my mom also there are lots of shapeshifters if you haven't understood it. Bhatia Hospital, from that time to now, how much change have you had in your hospital and any kind of labor problems? Wherever this couple goes, they create problems of any kind, including Bombay Hospital. They're Naxals, Maoists, not normal people. So anyway, one day, in my observation, we see that the night that I was told, that Shalina told me, that Mama had a very bad night simply because she needed to be changed. But she couldn't find any nurse. There was no nurse on the floor to actually change her, and she spent the whole night pretty dirty. And actually, the nurse needed to change her because she had, she basically needed to be carried and supported to sit up also. My mom couldn't even sit up on her own. She was that bad. And her whole body had become like this. And her whole hair also had fallen out. And she was pretty upset. Anyway, the man who is Kiran Merchant, who is ignoring her and quite rude with her actually. Very rude with her. It is my observation, but I keep my mouth shut because I say, well, he's an alone husband. We're not even around. He does lots. So it is perhaps because he's really tired, because as a single man, how much can you do? And when this kind of tension comes on somebody, it is very tough. It is genuinely tough. So let's not take a high-end call. After all, he has done a lot for my mom also in this kind of a situation, and one has to keep quiet also. And let's just let it be, right? But guess what? 2 days after that, my mother's looking a lot prettier. और ये वर्जन ऑफ किरण मर्चेंट उसके चेहरे पे यही करता है, होल्ड्स हर चिन द वे यू सी रागा होल्डिंग हिज सिस्टर प्रियंका गांधी's चिन व्हेन ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अब ना शादी करना ही पड़ेगा. दिस बिहेवियर वी हैव सीन सलमान खान, who in a talk with Arnab has said the same thing that any girl will do, which is what SRL has told me during my marriage. That's when I have left for New Zealand. Before that, this guy was in the shadows. He has done that with Katrina Kaif in one of their dance shows, holding her chin. It's a body behavior, it is a giveaway about who the shapeshifter is. He has pretended to be Kiran Merchant also, I believe. He has pretended to be SL. He has pretended to be SRL. He has pretended to be, I believe, basically one thing, all these guys are 5'7" in height. So because this is the height, they're able to go into all different kinds of forms of 5'7". 5'7", NDM is 5'7", Raga is 5'7", SRK is 5'7", SRL was a tall boy, he was not a short boy. He was minimum 5'10". SK is 5'7". But this is where all the mess has come in, and I think it is just connected with Naxalite and Maoist behavior. So I think you really need to actually take cognizance and ensure that this thing is looked into as a SIT, because that's what my Shirdi Sai Baba has been insisting on for the longest time. Someone moans during sex is what it is saying. MOANS during SEX. Luna is okay. Maybe one of them was on a Luna, the car, the mobile scooter. Maybe they've already produced a son, or they will produce a son. Mains, MANES. I don't know how to understand the word mains, but this guy lies a lot. LIES. And yes, there is something to do with Bali and Nusa Dua. Okay, so I think that is more than enough. Musa, some boy called Musa also involved. I would have thought niece, but the thing is there are no two E's. The CIA guy is Elon Musk, the tall man. He's a good man. I don't think he's a bad man. Hopefully he's a good man. Then we got same also. Maybe somebody likes the same sex, because we have same sex. But slime is definitely part of this thing, which is not nice. Is there anything else that my observation was? While I was sleeping, was there anything that I got? Yes, while I was sleeping, I got another thing, and the reason I'm putting it all jam packed into one video is so that I don't forget. Another thing that I got this morning when I was sleeping was my sister Shalina, who could be the Selena, not Varsha Shalina. We've been brought up basically not to fool around. Don't know what Selena's upbringing is. In my dream, Selena is superimposed on me, I think. She's planning to cheat on somebody. Was she planning to cheat on whoever she was planning to cheat on? And what I see is it is connected somewhere or the other to... I worked in a company called DHFL, which is Kapil Vadva's company. I got that job, but I found it a little far, so I worked only for 1.5 months and then I left it. But it was a very good company. But when I worked in that company, Shalina told me, oh, I went for a Sunday lunch or something like that. I went for some brunch. Over there, Sunny, Sunny, who's Kapil Vadva, the owner of DHFL, his cousin, they are very big people. So she just couldn't contain herself. She had to tell me that you are an employee working over there, but I was at lunch with the owners. She didn't tell me this in so many words, but today in retrospect I understand why she said what she said. I don't care. I never wanted to be part of any kind of crowd. We're very happy on our own. But I'm just saying that if this Shalina is Selena and she's not my sister, then a shapeshifter getting into every kind of crowd would have created how much damage for how many people. The fact that this girl is promiscuous and she wanted to be with somebody was shown in my dream, deep state sleep today. I'm just wondering, did she end up in autoimmune? Because then it is shown that she has a problem with her urinary tract infection, which is something my mom actually had. But that was Anita. So is it that my mom and my sister had shapeshifters for them? One had a urinary tract infection or was soon to, it is difficult for her to hold water for a long time. That was my mother. My sister who was shapeshifting for my sister as Selena, Selina. Was she the promiscuous one? How does Madder fit into the shit? What is her relationship with people like Namo Namo, Modi, Raga, NDM, who are connected with Naxal movement, terrorist movement, underworld movement? Because when I worked at Indian Online Broadband, don't bloody fucking tell me terror her. You're bloody illiterate ass. I would not be putting myself on the line talking all this if I was connected with nefarious activity. My fucking whole house has crumpled in front of me. You bloody bastard. Bloody shit from a shithole. My family are straightforward. Most of them are straightforward people. If you have cloned my family and people in my family, and you've also been shapeshifting in the government, then I don't know who can really sort this. You've had a field day from number 4 Jaswell, I believe, and from United Breweries. You have stolen, and through a digital network, you have confused everything. Yes, the ones who have done a backdoor entry are from the Naxal movement. I am not a communist. I don't believe in communism. My mother was an educated woman. She used to go to jam sessions and wear halter tops and bell bottoms in the bloody fucking 50s. Do you mind? She grew up in Churchgate and in Kulaba. तो पागल है क्या? My father went to freaking JB Petit initially. Then once he finished preschool, he went to Xavier's. It's a convent with padres. वो क्या नक्सलाइट्स पैदा करते हैं क्या? Then he went to Siddharth and then he did his law from Law College. Maharashtra Government Law College. Bombay Government Law College. You think he's going to be a Naxalite? He's going to give it terror. That's what this is what the padres teach you or what? That's what the nuns and the fathers teach you. How to be a bloody terrorist. Your head is in an okay place or not in an okay place. My father's entire network has grown up with him when he was in school. You bloody cheap shits. All of them were business people. Yes, all of them were business people. They are people who have studied with him in school and college. They're also a network of Sindhis. What have you done with it? Because you are fucking Naxalites. You have cloned so many fucking people. You've entered spaces like ours during the late 80s, early 90s, removed kiki people, and then you've spent our money, screwed around big time, and then insulted us only. You call this governance? Who are you kidding? Anyway, you just come to your next birth round. You are done for really long term. You're done for.